Welcome to the Options Exchange. Today is Thursday, January 18th, 2024. 7:19 p.m. Eastern Time. On your screen, you're seeing the current profit and loss that we have keeping track since January 2nd. We had another win today with the 47.40, 47.45 put credit spread, which we took in a $1.15, and we closed at 20 cents with 25 contracts. We earned $2,375. We currently are sitting on this account with a win of $22,090. And we still have one loss of $1,725. We basically are inside this trend channel that you see right here. We're bouncing off the trend channel and of this trend line, and we're inside this trend channel on the 5 minutes and on the 15 minutes. We are approaching the top level of this sideways movement on the 1-hour chart. So expect some resistance level between 47.90 and 47.95. Tomorrow, we would probably pull back from this trend channel on the 5 minutes and see if buyers buy the dip and try to test or break 47.90 and possibly 4800. Today, once the market made a low of 47.40, you could clearly see how the algorithms kept buying the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. If you were to follow the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart or 9 EMA on the 15-minute chart, you could see that every bounce was bought, which was very bullish on the daily time frame. We are still working on completing this inverse head and shoulder that we see in the daily chart right here. We also have very good momentum of accumulation on the oscillator. So being that the oscillator is now make a higher high at the current peak, it's a recipe for the S&P 500 to break out and make higher highs. Looking at the rest of the chart, we can see that we have pretty much good control overall. The MACD is showing divergence. We had good volume today, better than previous day, and we could clearly see that buyers did take control moving higher and the sellers weren't able to cross over the buy side and force the buyers to sell. So buyers are strongly in control for the time being. The 1-hour chart, you can see that we come back into the trend channel that we've been following. If you notice that, we broke under the trend channel here, we tested it here, and then we bounced and we are going back into that trend channel. So we need to pay attention to see where the resistance is more or less, which will probably be between 4800 and 4820 level, where it probably meet with a center line of the trend channel. Overall, this chart also looks very bullish. We have good momentum on the MACD histogram. Volume is increasing as buyers are seen here, and on the ADX buyers are definitely in control. The only thing that we need here on the ADX is for thus the black line, which is to confirm the momentum to start following up the buy line, and that will give us even a more confirmation that we are gonna go into higher high levels. Overall, it was a very controllable market. It was very predictable, and you could see what the market was doing, where they were buying, and the moves were very predictable. We will continue to monitor the markets. Also, continue to give our alerts. We hope that you come and join us. those new members that have not joined yet, we still have some specials out there with 10 days free. We have a $65 a month membership fee, but you get a wealth of information. You also get our alerts, and as you can see from our profit and loss sheets, you're gonna get good return and you're gonna earn while you learn. With that said, I will see you guys at 9:30 a.m. opening bell. You all have a good night. Thank you.